right, another gym drive in India, baby. So, one thing I want to talk about is people and being the anti-work. A lot of the times that you may have a goal or something in your brain that you want to achieve, however, you get distracted because people want your time. They want to meet, they want to discuss, they want to sit down, they want to train with you. However, it's not part of your plan and your journey. And I say this because people have become my anti-work. That's why I have a very small social circle, because people want your time. They want to hang out, they want to chat, they want to work out with you. That's one of the things that I don't like, is that people, because they follow me online or on, they socially interact with me, that they think, hey, I'll invite myself to a workout. Next time I'm in town, maybe we work out, or we're both going to be in this city or country together. Let's work out. Sorry, I don't know you. That's my office. That is my time. That is my time to evolve, to progress, to condition myself. So I'm not going to utilize that time, getting to know a stranger and working out. And that's part of being the anti-work. And humans can do that. Humans can get in your way. So whatever your goal is, whatever you want to achieve, as you're driving to the gym, be conscious. Are you going to interact with people? Are you going to hang out? Are you going to talk? Or are you going to have your eyes pierced? You put your headphones on, get your workout done, and put in the quality as opposed to the quantity of hours, because you're socializing, you're hanging out. And that doesn't just go for the gym. Like while we're here in India right now, a lot of people are calling and they want to meet up. They want to discuss. They want to have, they want to meet with both Jag and I, but they don't have an agenda. You have to have an agenda. There has to be purpose. Much like if someone just calls you up and just goes, hey, how's it going? What you doing? I don't have time for people like that. You have to be curt. You have to be straight to the point. What is the purpose of this call? A lot of the time, I just don't even say hello. I'll just say, this is Kris. And I'll say, hey, how's it going? This is Kris. What is the purpose of this call? What do you want? So you just get straight to the point, and it's not being rude, it's just being efficient, especially when so many people want your time. And that's fine, it's human nature. It's not their fault by any means. I'm not faulting anyone else. However, if you don't have the time yourself and you are constantly getting frustrated and pissed off and stressed because you're not getting what you want to achieve done, completed, you're not successful in your goals, then you have to start trimming the fat, okay? So just be careful and be conscious.